Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I will show you how to merge two or more cells in Microsoft Excel. Let us get started. In first step, select the cells that you want to merge. I want to merge these three cells. Go to Home tab. In the Alignment section, click into this drop-down list, Merge and Center. The cells are merged. Now if you want to unmerge cells, go to here, Unmerge Cells. Here we have one more way. Select the cells that you want to merge, right-click, Format Cells. In the alignment, here we have Merge Cells, and then OK. As you can see, the cells are merged. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and leave your feedback in the comment.